Alright, I just parked. I wasn't sure what to expect when I got here. I called ahead a couple days ago to make sure I knew which door to go in, and got that information. I wasn't sure if there'd be people outside, if, the outside door to the mall would be locked until a certain time, but it's actually no line. So I'm gonna head in. I'm definitely curious to see what the crowd looks like inside. I know this isn't going to be, like a massive release, but I am curious just to see if there are any people trying to snag a unit day of. So let's go check it out.
We're gonna look for the yum. Look for the yum. Wow.
All right, just got back from the Apple store. We've got the Apple Vision Pro ready to be opened up here. Pull it out of the bag. Definitely a very big bag, so I was glad to see that they had that ready for us. Okay, so we've got on the side Vision Pro, and then on the top, obviously, we've got the device itself. So it looks like we're gonna start out here. It's very similar to how my MacBook Pro opened up. A couple of pull tabs, and then one more on this side. Okay, I think we should be good to pull it up. Wow, that's nice. I wasn't really expecting it to just be sitting like that. It definitely makes for a pretty cool reveal. And these little cardboard tabs, if you've ever had a cable you bought from Apple, are pretty standard. Got that there. And since I already demoed in the store, I know the proper way to hold it. You definitely do not want to grab it by the light shield. It can fall apart. This front cover is removable. So this is the proper way to hold it. You're supposed to hold one hand on the band and the one hand on the front. If you grab it by this centerpiece, this is actually removable, so you do not want to grab that. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this to the side for now. Save that for later. I'm gonna put this back in the box over here. And then let's see what we've got underneath. So then now we've got two compartments. So this one looks to be probably documentation, a little bit of how to use it, a couple of pictures, probably telling you how to use all the different adjustment settings, digital crown, all of that. Underneath that, looks like we've got the dual loop band. So this is the solo one, this is the alternative. And this one really comes down to preference. From what I've heard, some people like one of the bands, some people like the other one. So this one is basically going to have two bands, one over the top of your head and then one on the back. So with that, some people say that they get a little bit more support. So I'll have to play around with those and see which one I prefer. So far, the only one I've tried is the solo band. So let's set that over here to the side. Then we've got the battery. Of course, it's got the nice protective covering. Definitely used to that with Apple products. And more of those fun little cardboard tabs on the cable. Then it looks like we've got a pretty standard USB-C cable here that'll run from the battery to the wall adapter that it comes included with. And then this cable will go from the battery to the Apple Vision Pro. Okay, so we've got one more little section here. Still haven't seen any Apple stickers, so you know those are coming somewhere in here. Let's see what's in this one. So this appears to be the polishing cloth. And it's pretty funny because they were selling these separately at one point and then they sold out. So nice to see that I get one included for free. And within there, probably I'm guessing some cleaning instructions, safety handling, battery and charging. Yeah, mostly just kind of the standard boilerplate safety info in here. I'll save that for later. And looks like we've got the light seal cushion. So this is a separate piece. This is also magnetic. So this one is not sized to your face. This is the cushion that goes on top of the light seal. And so this one, I believe, is the universal sizing. Let me try this. Make that a little bit easier. Still kind of got to pull it around though. This one doesn't come out as easy. And then that will go into the light seal, and that'll be the part that's actually, resting up against your face. I guess more like that. So that's everything in the box. We've got the battery with attached cable. We've got the external USB-C power block for the wall. We've got the USB-C cable for that. We've got the polishing cloth. We've got the light seal foam there, and then we've got the Apple Vision Pro itself with the included light seal. And this is the part that should be sized to my face based on the scan I did before I bought it. So that's everything in the box other than some documentation, and definitely looking forward to checking this thing out. Taking this off is always a little weird. I'm not going to do it right now because I want to have it sitting on a nice surface, but in another video.